For the first time in forever.
No.
What a liar.
Morning guys, it's not really morning, it's like 3:30. I have been a little busy. I've been working today and also editing our first vlog that's, you know, should be out when this comes out for Valentine's. Just started dinner. We put on, Junior finished work. Oh, can you put some clothes on? Junior marinated the meat last night. I think we're having, what are we having? Pork chops? Yeah, I don't know what he marinated in. Let's see. Marcus! Mate, you can come and peel these potatoes. We're gonna make some mash. We don't have any cream, but we have, oh, we don't even have cream or butter.
Oh, well then, we're gonna come with butter.
You two go and get some cream and butter.
I'm gonna shower, stink.
Yeah, no, after your shower. And then we're gonna make some mash to go with the thing. You peel the potatoes. Did you eat the Thai?
I did.
Oh, what a sad guy.
I found there's food in the fridge and you didn't even eat it. Did you know it was Thai? Or you just looked at it? Looked at it.
You didn't see the spring roll?
Put seed in fried rice. And a spring roll.
What did you eat? Oh, did you eat cereal too? Yeah. And he had, oh, what the heck? Did you eat my mint one?
Oh, he knows too, Dad. He knows.
Mint ones are off limit. Oh, off limit. Is it off? What is it? Oh, off limits. Where? No English. Hold this, I need to go back.
Well, I'll put it in. Oh, nice work, mate. How about this work then?
Oh, that's yours.
What do you do all day? Nothing.
Oh, you got a wet patch on your ass.
Yeah, I squirted.
Did you peel them? Yeah. No, you liar.
You are supposed.
I thought you were going shower.
I'm getting a towel.
Ooh.
Do you want my shirt off here?
Someone's finally doing some cooking.
For the first time
in forever.
We've got to chat there. Might get copyrighted. Sound the exact same.
Thanks. You peel so annoying. Wow.
It's small, that's why.
No, I'll show you how to peel. I'll show you how to peel. So you get the potato, you hold it this way, and then you go like this. Look how fast. Easier? Who's this old man one? Are you on the phone in the toilet? Yeah. Can't deal with this man. Look who it is. Did you finish school? You already finished?
Yeah, I already finished it.
Oh.
I was time to go home.
What did you do at school today?
I was still learning my tea. A maybe S or something. Sounds like a letter in the alphabet.
Okay, let's go check on the food. Hi, Mush Mush. Hey. Hello. Let's go check on the food.
Yeah.
Oh, it just falls off the bone down.
Oh.
Oh no, it doesn't.
Come here.
What a liar.
What did you put in it? Soy
Soy
sauce?
sauce, honey, sugar, everything. Oh, not
Wow. You got ice cream on your nose.
Look at those drinking something.
So I just finished work and I came to check on the potatoes. I told him to turn it off and he actually left the damn water in it. Ooh. Are you gonna help Auntie clean? Crickets. Crickets. Hey guys, so I finished work at 7. It is now 7:32. Junior's family's gone and Junior and Marcus are gone to Judah's footy game, which is Marcus's brother. So I just had to clean quickly because it was driving me insane. So dishes are done. That is almost done. Oh, I might eat these actually. See what happens on a diet and they bring Macca's. This is all the clean washing I have to fold today. I'm just over this, I'm over this. Are you cleaning your room?
Yeah.
What are you trying to hide? I cleaned his room so spotless yesterday, guys. Spotless. It's already rubbish. You know how much shit I found in your room? You!
You like this shit then?
Hurry up! How many times did I tell you to get ready? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yo, watch me. Yo, what's up, guys? So, what is it then? Saturday morning. Look there. Do the bed, eh? Do the bed. Good woman. Good woman. She's learned her lesson. We're gonna go to my grandpa's house today. We're gonna go visit him. Haven't seen him in what? 2 weeks, Dad? Has it been 2 weeks? Yeah. 98 years old mate. Little soldier. Look at my case here. Oh, what are you doing? Why is it still full? Poor form, Junes. Poor form. Alright, let's see what this bloke's doing. We get for the back.
Yeah.
We'll sneak around.
No privacy.
Yeah, no privacy around here. It's true. Oh. Such a messy room. Look at that. What a dad. Well, you're not gonna do it.
No, it's your day. Ew. He was just laying in bed and I was just hinting, do you think you should do the dishes now? He's like, nah, it's okay. Yeah.
Gonna get more and walk around probably for like 3 hours. That's what Daniel loves to do.
No, we're just going quickly.
Come home with one shopping bag.
Let's see if he cleaned his room. There's still mess. Fake cleaner.
Come on over.
Ew. Good old Kmart. How cute is this? For the kitchen?
What do you put in there?
Stuff.
See what I mean? 3 hours, guys. Come here for a bucket. Other things.
Get a bucket and a mop. Why didn't you get a bag, dude? It's only 10 cents, dude.
Why would I get a bag when it's like this? Oh my gosh, then use your head.
Get a bucket and a mop.
There we go.
Hello. Oh, have you been served? Oh. Can I get 2 thighs, please?
Anything else for you?
That's all, thanks. God, y'all. Yeah, it was like it's hot as hell, so
27 outside.
do not mind the aircon. But we got some red leaf. Wait, look at them. Oh,
that's how you should do it, eh?
Anyone that's been to Red Leaf knows.
Poor Melbourne. I don't think they got red leaf there.
No, they don't. I always get the.
You always get the cheese kransky.
And then Junior got a Rizzle to try. Do you want to try it?
Oh. So sissy. You know what?
No. How good?
Yep. It's alright. Look at that.
It's like sweet and savory.
It's a Rizzo. Rizzo? Rizzo. Huh?
Rizzle.
So what are we doing today, Dan?
We're going to his grandma's grave.
Grandma's grave.
Redley has so much stuff. You just want to keep buying. So we got some. I'll just wait for this car to go. We're like, the fuck they doing? Got some fried chicken. Some filet more. Filet more. Ooh. You can have the big one.
Instead of these things, we usually get spare ribs. The ribs are nice, to me, sometimes.
I like it.
Yeah, it's too saucy for you, yeah?
This is the only fried chicken I love.
Open door.
Hi, Abby. Where's my phone even? Wow. What a warm welcome. Is he awake? Oh. Girl, stop screaming. Look at Mush Mush's masterpiece. Right next to Grandpa's room. He gonna get in trouble. Hi. Bye-bye. Yeah, fat. Oh, so cute. Not even cleaning. Huh? Bludgers. Hi, Zari. No.
How about when she sees your video, you know, on YouTube?
No, you wait.
Yeah.
And she's like, "Hi guys, it's Zari." So we're at Woolies again. Are you gonna talk? Whoa. What are we buying? Nachos.
Speak. No one's gonna kill you. Oh my gosh. Nachos. He took so much rubbish at home, but oh my god, guys, look at this. If I was going home, I would buy it. If you've never had a Buffalo Bill, she's too young for you. Yes, yes, yes. Does it have ginseng in it? Oh, it just says with honey. Oh, there's a white one? Okay, let's go have a look. I see Kim Tai drinking this all the time. Huh? What's in it?
Watermelon, orange.
What a waste of money. How much is it? You could buy a whole fruit with it. Oh, fine. Biggest Maimo Coupe.
Two cents.
Are you sure? No.
It is. Yeah.
Are they gonna mow the lawn?
Yeah, if I could move it.
Becca's going to mow the lawn. And the other ones are just drinking. They're just watching. They're both like intensely watching.
What's that one? The orange one. The orange one? Oh, the red one.
One red one is peach. And then the
I want the cotton candy.
pineapple and watermelon.
Oh, that sounds so good. I want this one. Yeah, go taste yours. What does it taste like? Don't read it. What does it taste like? Okay, we're gonna taste the cotton candy. Where'd you get them from?
Oh, IGA.
IGA. Oh, it does. It has no smell. Yeah. Oh, I got my flask at home. I should have brought it. You have to have 5 max, I think. Oh, that actually looks so delicious. Did you already put cheese in it? Yum.
Oh, there's a Nachos from this afternoon. Yeah. We can't eat this.
Risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. To the Today, Jan. Yeah, I know. Presentation of this guy. There you go. Alright, mate. Is he awake?
Just lying, staring at the bird.
We're gonna try the green tea. It's nice, but I wouldn't drink it again. I'm not really a fan.
Leah, if you watch this, take your freaking rubbish in the bin.
Junior's other sister said she doesn't support us anymore. She said Junior's too rude.
Celia,
Yeah.
but what happened?
Oh no, like he's so rude.
Oh,
He
she
tells
can't watch
rude
it.
jokes, yeah.
Oh my god, we're so opposites. I full crack up.
And she's the one with 3 kids. What are you cringing about?
I know. Freak in the sheets.
Yeah.
Because she got pregnant so quickly.
Junior's sitting on 2 chairs. Everyone else is on 1 chair. Oh, please fall. I want to go now.
It's a breeze. That is like you just want to drink that. What alcoholic guy, eh?
That tastes awful.
Did you like that one?
No.
That one's young to me. But it's because I like Fanta.
Oh, cool.
I don't like that one. Yeah, let me go and see that. Which one's your favorite? Oh, yeah, that one's one too. Everyone hates it. I hate cruises. I don't see Corona.
Wait a minute.
Your mom should. Nah, just put up there.
if you guys are wondering, we're at Junior's sister's house. All the boys are gone to the pub and it's just us. And she's making us watch Korean stuff.
Hello.
Hello, Gigantor. He's taller than Junior. What a dogging us guy. Did I not come out with it? Dog. Hurry up!
Oh, shit. I thought you wanted me to dance with you.
Ew.
Oh, was that the vlog camera? Oh, wow. I thought you wanted me to do dirty dance with you.
Ew.
You love it.
Shut up.
Ew.
How did we end up here, Ange?
I'm a little bit drunk, so I don't know what's going on.
That old man is so freaking annoying. What did you buy?
Is that your favorite drink, Stu?
Is that how it is? Is that how it is? You love it. Hey, Daniel's getting moist. Anyways, Daniel's just driving around in a Mount George license.
Junior, stop talking.
Hey, snitches get stitches. Daniel's driving in a Mount George license. Around here, it's just the norms. Oh, yeah.
Speed limit is 60.
Oh,
Danielle, I don't want to see you on from the area 679. I don't want to see you on the Instagram page from the area.
That's on our side.
What for?
I need
70
Sprite.
on the left side.
Oh, as well?
Yeah. About 60 on the right side.
Oh,
Hey, there's a 7-Eleven here.
There's 80 on the right and 50 on the
Now
left.
get this on now, get this on now.
Every time you turn up, bruh. Turn up all the way.
Shawty look so fine like that. Coolin' with my baby, let's spend time like that. Everybody know that me and my ride like that. Stay in town for my baby, I won't lie to you. Always gon' ride for you. Hey, me and you.
What's up, guys? It's Sunday today. I'm opening the vlog. Danielle's right next to me, but she hasn't done her face yet, so she doesn't want to put it on camera.
Round 9, got you look pretty and you know you're so fine. What you're doing to me and your like fine wine, getting much sweeter as we pass by the time. Wanna catch me when you looking in me bedroom eyes, and you want fish slowly rub me pon the thigh.
So we got the fish and chips, but Junior was being a tight ass and didn't want to buy a drink from there. It was like $4.80 actually, just for 1.25. So he's actually gone back in because 7-Eleven always has deals for the big drinks, so that's what he's doing. I wonder what drinks they bought. Fanta, Sprite and Solo. All the things I don't like. Wow, grabbed all the flavors I hate.
What are you on about? You love Sprite. You always want Sprite at Macca's.
No, I do not.
You like cola, don't you?
I like Coke.
Yeah, I literally like, I said Pepsi.
Oh,
There was no Coke there.
you got all your favorite drinks. We've got 2 battered salves, tartare sauces, some fish. Oh yeah! Fried chicken burger, and then we have the chippies. Do you want a battered salve?
You don't like it?
After the Kim.
Oh. Okay. So I'm going to try the burger first, and then we're going to put a movie on. Here's some paper. Okay, wait. Let it focus. So, is it nice? You like it?
I love it.
Would you get it again?
Yep.
Oh, what are we watching?
To all the boys, always and forever.
Where are the chaperones? Not here yet.
Should we do there while we wait? Yes.
Hi. Quiz.
Okay guys, that's our weekend all done. Yeah, just had a shower, finished cleaning up your house. It's about 11:30 right now, 11:30 at night, and Daniel's already snoozing, even though she starts at like 11 o'clock in the afternoon. But anyways, I'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe, press that like button. See ya.